Today I'm going to go over with you how to cite a Creative Commons image using EasyBib. Creative Commons means that we have permission to use the image from the owner and it's not a copyrighted image. So today I've chosen to use a Creative Commons website, and this is Flickr. So these images are free to use. I chose pumpkins with fall being right around the corner. So let's say I wanted to use this picture and this image for a project. I need to cite my source. So I would go over to EasyBib. When I get there, I want to make sure I choose MLA. It defaults to source type as website, but I want to actually use a digital image or cite a digital image. So I'm going to click on that. And once I do this, it's as easy as filling out the pieces of information. So contributors, I'm going to go back to my Flickr website, and I can see Philip Hale took this picture. So I'm going to type in the name. Website title. Right here, I'm on Flickr. So I'm going to type that in. The URL, I'm going to go back here, and I'm just going to go ahead and copy and paste my URL. Electronically published. In this case, if I look on Flickr, it does have the complete date, the full month, day, and year. EasyBib is only requiring the year, but since I have the information, I will fill it out. So October 4th, 2016. So as you can see from here, I just want to make sure I filled out all the information that I need. I did forget to put the title in, so here's where I'm going to go ahead and type in the title. And I can look at my tab, and it's actually titled Picked Pumpkins. So I'm going to be sure to put that in, and the description. If no official title, you can describe it, but since my image does have a title, I'm not going to have to fill out that section. So once again, I put in the title, the first and the last name, the website title, the URL, and when it was published. I'm going to click Complete Citation. And you can see right here is my citation. If I click on this, I can edit my citation, or I can copy it to the clipboard, and then I would add that into my project information. So citing your sources is very easy using EasyBib, especially for digital images is what you're doing for this project today. I also wanted to quickly just mention Unsplash is another great website, and because of the way that Unsplash is licensed, you actually do not have to cite your sources if you use the Unsplash website. So I hope that this was helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to see your teachers or stop by the library to see me. Thanks.